Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. As you can see, it's a beautiful stitch. You can use it for many things. I'm going to use it, I think, for a pocket. I'm going to make a pocket with it. It's not difficult to make. As you will go along, you will see that it's not difficult. Hope that you try it. We start by making chains, and chains we make multiples of 8. I am using used yarn to show you, recycled yarn. So we start by making chains multiples of 8. Now we go in the 6th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the 6th one, and we're going to make 7 trebles in the same chain. 1, 2, trebles or double crochet, it depends how you call it. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we started with multiples of 8 chains. Then we went in the 6th chain, and we made 7 trebles. Now we have to skip 2 chains. We skip 2 chains. 1, 2. We go in the 3rd one and we make a single crochet or a double crochet, depends how you call it. Again, we skip another 2 chains. 1, 2. We go in the 3rd one and we're going to make another 7 trebles. 1, 2. As I told you, I'm using used yarn, recycled yarn. 3, 4, but you can use any yarn you want. But I'm using it so I show you how to make this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, we skip another 2 chains. 1, 2. We go in the 3rd one. We make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Again, we skip another 2. 1, 2. And in the 3rd one, again, we make 7 trebles or double crochet, how you call it. And you continue all the row like that. Now I'm making 7 trebles. Then I skip 2 chains. I make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. I skip another 2 chains. In the 3rd one, I make 7 trebles. And you continue all the row like that. The row is ready, as you can see, and we're going to finish. We skip 2, 1, 2. We finish the row with a single crochet. We finish it with a single crochet. And that is the first row ready. We finished it with a single crochet. Then we cut the thread, so we start with another color. So you finish with a single crochet here, or a double crochet, how you call it, and we cut the thread. So now we cut the thread here, over here, as you can see. We finished like this. We cut the thread from here, over here. Now we're going to start again from here, and we're going to start with another color. I'm going to be using the white. So you start from where you started. You always start from where you started, not from where you finish. You pull up a stitch and you make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now here in the same place we're going to do a puff stitch. 4 times we're going to do it. Puff stitch. You turn the thread on the hook. You put it over here, pull up a stitch. 2, 3, and 4. You pull them out together, you leave the last stitch, and then you pull it like this. That is the first puff stitch. Now we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to go here where we made the single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. And we're going to make another puff stitch. This time 5 times we're going to pull up the thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you pull them out together, and then you pull the last 2. Now we're going to make 2 chains now, 1 and 2, and we're going to make another puff stitch in the same place here where we made the single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you pull them out together, and then you pull the last 2 stitches. Now we're going to make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You go in the next one here, the next single crochet or double crochet, and you make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You pull them out together, you leave the last one. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to make another puff stitch in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You pull them together. Now you make another 5 chains, you go to the next one and you do the same, and you continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. Now we arrived at the edge, we did 5 chains here, we arrived at the last one here, and we finish with a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We pull up the first, and then you cut the thread. When you finish here, you cut the thread and you close it, because then we have to start again from here. This row is ready. Now we're going to start again from here, from the beginning, not from where we finished, from here, from the beginning, and I'm using the other color. So we go over here and we pull up a stitch and make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now here in the same place I'm going to do 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. So I started with 3 chains and 3 trebles. Now I'm going here. So we have the 7 trebles of before. We find the 4th one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 4th one here, we put the hook over here and we do a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it. So we counted 3, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th one, we did a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it. Now we go here in the middle where we made the 2 chains, and we're going to make another 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles or double crochet, depends how you call it. 5, 6 and 7. Sorry, I got the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we made 7 here in the middle of here. We go here again in this one. We go to the 4th one. 1, 2, 3. We find the 4th one here and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. In the middle here again, and we do other 7 trebles. As I told you, I'm using used yarn to show you, recycled yarn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Again, we go here, we find the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and you continue all the row like that. Then here you make 7, you continue like that, the row like that. We arrived here at the edge. Here we did the single crochet here. We arrive here at the edge, and we're going to do 4 trebles or 4 double crochet here. And the last one we do 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you finish the row like that, and you cut again the thread. So the next row we're going to start again from here. You cut the thread. Now, as I told you, we're going to start again from where we began here. We are going to change the color again in white. I'm going to use again the white. 2 chains and a single crochet here, single or double crochet, depends how you call it. Now we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here where we had the puff stitch, the single crochet here. We go here and we're going to make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We're going to do the same now. 2 chains and another 5. 1, another puff stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5, like that. Now 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go again here and we're going to do the same as we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you continue all the row like that. Do 5 chains and 2 puff stitches here where we have the double crochet or single crochet. You continue all the row like that. We arrived here at the edge, so we do 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we started this row here with a single crochet. So we have to finish it, this row. We go here in the first one with a single crochet. As we started it, we finish it. As I told you, we started with a single crochet and we finish with a single crochet. And then you cut again the thread, and that is the row ready. Now we're going to start again from the beginning, from where we started, not from where we finished, but from where we started. We go here with the other color, pull up a stitch, we do a chain, and we do a single crochet. So all we did is a chain and a single crochet. Now we go here in the middle here, and we have to make 7 trebles. 1 or double crochet, how you call it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we go here in the fourth one again. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one we do a single crochet or a double crochet. Again we go here and we do 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you're going to repeat. We go in the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do a single crochet or double crochet, and you continue all the row like that. Here you do 7 trebles, and here you do a single crochet. This row is ready, as you can see, and we started here with a single crochet here, and we're going to finish with a single crochet or double crochet, depends how you call it. And that is the row ready too, and then you cut off the thread. Now we're going to start again the pattern from the beginning. Now we're going to start again from this one here, because here we have to make always in the middle. Now the one that we have to do has to come here in the middle of here. The one after here alternate, we always alternate, so we have to start from this one here. So we go here, and you repeat the pattern like this. You go here, wait a minute, you go here, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and a puff stitch over here 4 times, 1, like we started, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to go here over this one over here, so we make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we make another puff stitch here, this time 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, two chains, and another 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as I told you, now we started again from here. You have to repeat, always repeat those rows that I showed you, and start again from here. You do this row, this row, this row, always start from here. I'm repeating this row, and the pattern goes along like that. Then you do this, the other row, this row, and you continue with the pattern like we did before. Then I show you how the pattern comes. I do more rows and I show you how the pattern comes. And this is the final result, how the stitch comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make, always repeating these rows, these 4 rows, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 rows, and you finish this one and you start again from this one, as I told you. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.